Let me ask you something. Why is it that the more effort you put into impressing someone, the more likely you end up stuck in the dreaded friend zone? You give your time, your attention, your energy, but instead of being seen as a potential partner, you're labeled as just a friend. Sounds familiar, right? Well, here's the truth. Escaping the friend zone isn't about chasing harder. It's about flipping the script using psychology. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Fast. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a situation where you like someone, but no matter what you do, they don't see you in a romantic way, don't worry, you're not alone. Almost everyone has experienced the friend zone at some point in their lives. The good news is there's a way out. In this video, we're going to break down the female psychology behind attraction, and I'll give you practical, real-life strategies that you can use to shift her perception of you, from just a friend to someone she actually desires. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn things around. All right, let's break this down. If you're in the friend zone, it's not the end. It's just a signal that something about the way you're presenting yourself isn't triggering attraction. Let's go through the exact steps to change that. Fast. Here's the first rule. Stop being too available. When you're always on call, always ready to hang out, always saying yes to everything, she subconsciously sees you as safe and predictable, not exciting or desirable. Attraction is built on a mix of certainty and uncertainty. Think about it. Would you ever crave a movie you can watch anytime for free on Netflix? No. You crave the one that's only in theaters for a short time. That's scarcity psychology. So start creating boundaries. Say no sometimes. Prioritize your life. We're saying. And she sees you value yourself, she starts valuing you more. Most guys in the friend zone become the therapist friend. You sit there listening to all her problems about other guys, giving advice. And guess what? She appreciates it, but she never feels attraction. Why? Because attraction comes from leadership, not from being her emotional dumping ground. Instead, start taking the lead in conversations. Suggest things to do. Share your opinions with confidence. If she says, "What should we do?" don't say, "Whatever you want." Say, "Let's grab coffee at that new spot tomorrow." That shift in energy signals dominance and direction, qualities women are biologically wired to respond to. Here's a hard truth. Sometimes you're in the friend zone because you're not triggering her physical attraction switch. And no, I don't mean you need to look like a model, but you do need to show that you care about yourself. Simple changes like improving your style, grooming, posture, and even the way you walk can change her perception overnight. Think about it. Have you ever seen someone glow up and suddenly they look completely different to you? That's exactly what happens when you invest in your appearance. Women pick up on these micro signals fast. One of the fastest ways out of the friend zone is to stop over-pleasing and start playfully teasing. Humor creates a spark because it adds emotional variety. For example, if she says, "I can't believe I ate a whole pizza by myself," instead of saying, "Don't worry, it's fine," you can tease lightly, "Wow, I didn't know I was hanging out with a food champion today." See the difference? One response is flat, the other is flirty. Teasing adds tension, and tension is the foundation of attraction. If she already boxed you as a friend, it's because you've been too predictable. Same texts, same routines, same safe conversations. To break out, now you need to surprise her. Try inviting her to experiences that are fun and slightly outside her comfort zone, like a salsa class, hiking trail, or even a spontaneous road trip. The psychology here is simple. People transfer the excitement of the experience onto the person they're with. So when she feels adrenaline, laughter, or joy around you, her brain connects you with those emotions. So far, we've covered 5 powerful shifts. Stop being too available, take the lead, upgrade your image, tease instead of please, and break the predictability pattern. These are game changers. But listen, there's one final killer move that flips the friend zone dynamic completely, and this one works like magic if you do it right. Here's the ultimate friend zone escape strategy. pull back. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but when you stop pouring all your attention into her, something powerful happens. She feels the loss of your presence. Remember, people only value what they might lose. Instead of texting first all the time, go quiet for a bit. Instead of always initiating plans, focus on your own life, your fitness, your passions, your career. This shift creates mystery, and mystery is attractive. She starts wondering, why isn't he chasing me anymore? Who else has his attention? And that's when the dynamic flips. You're no longer the safe option. Now you're the one she wants to win over. This works because of something called the scarcity principle. In psychology, we desire what's scarce and undervalue what's abundant. If you're always available, you feel abundant, like an open buffet. But when you pull back, you become scarce. Suddenly, your attention is precious, and she feels compelled to earn it. That's when you escape the friend zone for good. So let's put it all together. Stop being too available, step into the leader role, level up your image, add humor and playful teasing, break the predictability pattern, and finally, withdraw your energy. These aren't just tricks, they're shifts in mindset that transform how she perceives you. Because the tease, Ruth, is the friend zone isn't a life sentence, it's just a perception. And perceptions can be changed when you understand psychology and know how to position yourself the right way. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been stuck in the friend zone? And if so, what's the hardest part about getting out of it? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs this advice, and of course, subscribe so you never miss future videos. And if you found this interesting, wait until you see my next video.